Hello, lovelies. I am your fertility coach, and I'm here once again on your screens to discuss with you our previous topic. I promised you about fibroid and fertility. I'm going to give you 5 facts about fibroid and fertility. But what we are going to do is that I'm going to divide these this 5 facts into 2 videos. Okay, so this video we are going to treat. Actually, let's treat this video, and then the part 2 we are going to treat 3 more topics. Okay, it's going to be quick. Get your knowledge and then move on. All right. Okay. So the first question, that I used to get a lot is, can fibroid affect our ability to conceive? Yes, fibroid can affect our ability to conceive. Yes. Fibroid can affect our ability to conceive. However, as I always say, it is a matter of location, it is a matter of size, and all these factors play a role, because you can have a fibroid and you can conceive and also give birth fruitfully without any hitches. Okay. However, depending on the size and location, the fibroid can even prevent pregnancy, or even if it doesn't prevent pregnancy, you'll be pregnant and you can miscarry or have complications along the way. Okay, so yes, so fibroid can prevent how they call it fertility. And as I said, the location of the fibroid is important. If the location of the fibroid is found in the inner lining of the uterus, it has a high possibility of causing issues with infertility. That is something that you have to know. One other thing you also have to understand is that if there's a lot of fibroid in the inner lining of the uterus, it can hinder implantation of the fertilized egg in the uterus. Okay, so that's something that you have to consider. Another issue, that there's any kind of fibroid which are outside the uterus, by reason of the huge size of it, it can be compressing on the fallopian tube. Once that is done, what it therefore means is that there's the ability of the fibroid, the ability of the egg to be successful to meet the sperms can be hindered because the fallopian tubes have been blocked. Okay, so that's another way in which fibroid can hinder fertility. All right, so let's discuss our second point. Our second point about fibroid is that location of the fibroid matters more than size. The location of the fibroid matters more than size. Why are we saying that? Now, just imagine, okay, if you have fibroid in the middle of the womb, okay, in the inner lining of the uterus, let's say submucosal, okay, okay, such a fibroid can really hinder fertilization, because it's located in the innermost lining of the uterus, and therefore can cause distortion of the uterine wall, and can prevent implantation. Okay, so a fibroid that is small in the inner lining of the uterus can cause more damage so far as fertility is concerned, compared to a fibroid that is located outside the uterus, okay, so that's what you have to know. So a huge fibroid outside the uterus is may not cause so much problem compared to a small fibroid in the inner lining of the uterus. This is what you know. So when it comes to fibroid, the location is very much important. Location is very much when we talk about the fibroid. When we talk about fibroid, location is very much. Okay, so stay tuned to our next episode. Our next episode, we are going to discuss on what fibroid can increase pregnancy risks. We also talk about treatments can preserve fertility, and also not all fibroid need treatment. In the next episode, stay tuned, and then get more information. And as I always say, if you are out there, you are wondering if you have fibroid or not, or you have fibroid and you need any kind of professional advice, kindly contact us. We are here to help you and make you be happy regardless of the condition you are in. Thank you very much for listening to this short video. Shalom from Katus. Bye bye.